Howdy y'all, what it is, it's your boy Mr. Church back at it once again, chilling in a Whizzle Mizzle parking lot. Yep, like I always am apparently. And I actually just pulled in, already got one. I saw the legend said it was a little bit busy, so I was like, I'm gonna go check it out. So I just parked and got one immediately. It's only 3.5 miles. That's pretty good. It's $15.81. It's got a little $2 tip on there. It says for 12 items. I took a look at it. It's all regular grocery stuff. So it should be a pretty quick, easy shop. Said it's an apartment, but whatever. There's not even that much. So I thought I would go ahead and accept this one, rip the Band-Aid off and get it popping. Hope it's not terrible and they have the items that I'm looking for. But before I go in here and get this, hey, thanks to everybody who's been watching. Thanks to everybody who's been liking, sharing, especially the ones who have subscribed. But hey, I appreciate you guys. But again, I'm not so good at doing the mushy stuff. Just hopefully you guys keep watching along with me because I'm having a great time doing it. So anyway, I'm gonna go in here and get this 16 bucks on its way to my wallet. All right, y'all. Remember, y'all, put your carts back. Oh, well, that one's done. Pretty easy shop. It was actually harder to get out of there than it was to do the shop, because apparently only like 4 self-checkouts can be open per employee, and there's like, I don't know, 3 like total. I don't know. Whatever, dude. But anyhoozle, about to be on my way to Miss Bailey, and she is only 8 minutes away. So that's what's up. About to get these groceries to Miss Bailey. We'll be back at it. I was wondering, because the GPS doesn't really.
I figure, you know, it's $13 a month for as many deliveries.
It's nothing.
You know,
It's nothing. No. And you're pretty close too, so you get it like ultra quick too. How if you don't mind me asking, when did you place this order?
This morning.
And you just picked like whatever drop-off time?
I made.
All right, well, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. All right, well, she was a sweetheart. So she was telling me how she can't drive and how she relies on this to get her groceries, and how she can't beat the $13 a month for Walmart Plus, which is pretty cool. I mean, it was an easy shop. She even threw like almost a $3 tip on there. So I mean, that was sweet. I really, appreciate that. She was a really nice lady. But while I was there talking to her, I ended up getting a little 3-mile banger, 3.5 miles, something like that. But it's for like 3 items that are super easy to go in, grab, and get out for 11 bucks. And I mean, sure, I could have waited for a better one, but I just want to stay like consistently going, just going. So that'll put me at 28 bucks. No, 26 bucks. Yeah, about 26 bucks after I do this one, which is fine. Like I said, I just want to keep going. I don't like the slowdowns, man. Once you hit the slowdown, you're just like, ugh. So, sure, I probably could have waited for one that paid a little bit more, but the shopping on this kind of just, it's a no-brainer. So I'm gonna go grab these and get out and get this dropped off as soon as I possibly can to maximize my earning potential. I wish I could film a little bit more. I'm gonna try. Man, it's hard to get video inside of Walmart during the day because the place is just crawling with employees, except for by the cash registers. Sheesh. I mean, they're there watching and everything, but there's just employees everywhere, crawling with employees. But I don't know, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. That VIP treatment, that's what I'm talking about. All right, well, heading on in. So super easy 3-item order. I was in and out of that place. So that's what's up. Headed over here to Wanda. I'm gonna drop her off her Coke, her coffee, and her creamer. I noticed a lot of the same like sparklers in there while I was in there, you know? Like a lot of the same ones. And I can't help but to like think in my head, because I'm weird, I guess. But every time I see them, I'm like, I bet you they're working on a way better offer than I am right now. It should have been mine. But I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one that thinks like that. I don't know. Let me know if you ever think about that about your fellow sparklers. You see them in there gathering up an order, and you're like, I bet that was like a $50 order. It should have been mine. I don't know. Whatever the case is, I'm about to go drop this $11 order off and get right back to the river middle and see if we can get some more. Rolling down here to the old trailer park. All I can think about is, look who's next, it's Mr. Clock, the dirty old man from the trailer park. Probably shouldn't be singing that. I see you, I see you. I see you, kitty cat. Don't steal my car, okay? Saw the videos online of cats driving. Thanks for watching my car, I appreciate it. Oh, the round robins, that's a good one too. Man, I just did it. I just did it to myself. Man. Well, I just did it to myself because it just seemed really, really good. They have a 6.2 mile, 2-stop, like 2 drop-offs for $17.41. There's $8.63 tip on there. And they don't want me to show up until 3:50. Now, it is 3:47 right now. And because they are always so late, I was like, okay, I'm about 7 minutes away. So in theory, I shouldn't get it there until about 3:55. So that should allow them a little bit of extra time to get their stuff together so they can bring it out to me, and I don't have to sit there for 20 minutes, half hour like I always end up having to do. So I'm going back to Walmart, and I already took it. It's like $17 and change for, 6 miles and change. So I'm doing it. And that'll put me at like 38 bucks or like close to 40 bucks. I don't freaking know. I'll do the math later, man. I don't know, but I'm going. So I'm pulling up in this mofo about 3 minutes late. Three entire minutes. So hopefully within that 3 minutes, they were able to pack this stuff up. So they can I'm gonna switch the game up. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna be in parking spot 19. 19, guys. And maybe, just maybe, it'll be faster. I'm gonna switch it up. Call it superstition. I don't know. But maybe. And just like I said, it says they're currently packing up. So that means they're not even ready yet. Man, these dudes need to get it together. Why did I accept that? Oh yeah, it's because I was like, I didn't want no downtime. Oh yeah, that's right. What am I doing right now? What am I experiencing? Oh, downtime. Thanks, Walmart Associates. Look at that, 5 minutes late, packing up. Killing me. Man, it is 4:03, so I've been here for 10 minutes. And it says it's ready now, but these dudes still ain't out here. Man. These dudes are just some time wasters. I knew it as I was accepting it. I'm like, why am I doing this?
You big dummy.
Like clockwork, man. 20 to 30 minutes later, you'll be pulling out from the expected time. Man. They finally came out though, but I still got the, oh, your time is valuable. You'll get extra earnings or whatever that you actually don't know how much you're making. So that's great. I assume they probably threw me like an extra, like 4 cents. So that's fantastic. But anyway, 5 minutes away from my first drop off. It was supposed to be there at 4:06, but what are you gonna do? Walmart, am I right? Yeah, that was kind of a nightmare because I couldn't figure out which one was which. I only got 2 orders, one's in the trunk and one's in the back seat. So I couldn't figure out which order was which till I could finally find where the where the listing of the items were. Oh, I'm so glad we had that. But anyway, I'm about 5 minutes away from this next drop off, and then it's back to the Whizzle Mill to see what we can get. Yeah, buddy. Up right here. There she is. That was pretty easy. Worst part about that last one was I didn't think about the water, so I had one hand that thought I was gonna slip. But those kids didn't like have it marked in the app what was in the back seat and what was in the trunk, so that kind of threw me off. I got some offers here, but none I really want to take. I kind of don't exactly want to go home yet. Well, I'm back at Walmart, and I didn't snag that one offer in time, so it was gone, no big deal. I got another one for like 11 bucks. It was like a mile and a half away. I was totally about to snag that, but somebody got it right before me. So I didn't get anything else since. So I just pulled in. Hopefully I get something. I'm gonna go walk around the store for a minute though. Hopefully get something while I'm in there because I don't want to sit out here waiting. Man, Walmart, man, Sparks out here just putting it on me. I went in there, I feel like I was in there forever. Luckily I was, talking on the phone, looking at some other stuff that I was kind of wondering about, but man, it's been forever. They gave me another order. I'm taking this one. I didn't even want to take it. I took this one just to make some money and do something with my time versus, just kind of lollygagging around. This is 22 bucks, and it's for, I don't even know, 10 miles. The shop was super duper easy, so that's cool, but I honestly am going to start heading home after this one unless I get another one to pull me over here because I'm going to be like kind of going past-ish. So this could be my last one. This will put me at like 65, 67, 69 bucks. I don't know. But not the best. But it's something, I guess. Glad that's over. So that one's done, and I'm gonna start heading on home. So this really hasn't been such a great day. It looks like I took a grand total of 4 orders today, and they were all Sparks obviously, and I made like 68 bucks. So 68 bucks. It turns out to $19.42 an hour. Now, it would have been better if I would have just taken that one and called it, but I didn't. So, it is what it is. I have some stuff to do tonight, so I'm not gonna do any Uber dashing. So that's not gonna happen this evening. But, you know, whatever. I feel like this is a very boring video. I can just tell that I didn't get a lot of footage and stuff because there was lots of employees around and all that jazz. And I'm not trying to get any pushback or, you know, get told that I can't, you know, film in there or, you know, get deactivated, because I don't want that either, you know. But it is what it is. So a little under 20 bucks an hour, I'll take it. I could have been doing nothing, you know. So there is that. And I got to, you know, grab a couple things that I needed to grab anyway. So, you know, the bright side. But I don't feel like this is going to be the best video, but it is what it is. Maybe the next one will be a lot better. Hopefully it will be. But hey, if anybody has anything they want to see, or, you know, if there's any questions, anything like that, hey, feel free to drop in the comments below. I appreciate everybody who's been watching along and liking, sharing. You know, for the ones that have subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you so much. For the ones who haven't, hey, please consider doing so. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys. I'm just gonna call it right here. I got some stuff to do tonight, and I'm gonna go try to enjoy it. Guess I'll catch y'all on the flip side or the next one, whatever. Yeah, I'm out. Deuces.